Alright guys, good morning. Today, oh hold on, we're going. So today is track day. So it's not really track day, it'll be my first time on a track. Pretty much my club rented out an entire track. We got a bunch of people together, rented out a whole track, so it's a private event, track event. Should be really fun. Honestly, weather is really shitty right now, so we'll see what happens throughout the day. But yeah, it should be fun. I'm excited, I'm really nervous, but keep you guys posted as we go. First time on the track.
How's it going?
What's up, buddy?
What, you prepay?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I go on a snap? You never realize how much stuff you actually have in your car until you take everything out and put it on the side. Alright guys, so I just got back from doing my first track event. Shit was super fun. So much fun. Why are you laughing? What's so funny? Why are you laughing at me? Super fun. Never been on a track before, so that was really cool. I was super nervous, and then when I actually started racing, it was like everything just went away. Super sick. This is actually like a super sick setup. All the cars, garages, everybody chilling, hanging out. It's pretty cool. The event was a little unorganized, but it's fine. It's been okay. Got some GoPro footage for you guys, so hopefully that looks good. Hopefully.
Come say something, I wanna hear your voice.
guys, so I'm at John's STI right now. I'm with John. We're doing a ride along right now. That's friggin' this beast. This beast of a car. Should be fun. I'm gonna get my reaction and be like screaming. Just in case you guys forgot what John's STI looks like. Here it is. We're all lined up. We're all lined up, ready to go with all the cars. We got the Civics. We got some Subies. We got an RX-7 up there. See the RX-7? Gangsta. Some sick cars. Should be fun. Alright guys, so quick little update. When I first got here I was super nervous, and the way that they were doing things was like really kind of unorganized. They wanted like the novice people to just go out one at a time, and basically like an autocross. It just wouldn't have worked like that. It would have took forever for everybody to do it like that. So the first round went, it was my first time ever on a track. It went well, it was fine, I took it easy. The second time I went was a lot more fun, more aggressive, but then I ran out of gas, and I was told there'd be gas here, but the only kind of gas they have here is race gas, so I couldn't do that. So I went and got gas, and now I'm waiting for the third heat now, which I plan to get on it, film that. So hopefully I do well. There's no like times or anything like that. I mean, I guess you could time yourself if you want to. Some of the guys are timing themselves, but I'm not. It just opened up a whole new world. So many more things I got to do to the car now. We have this whole like thing. Like anything you got to do to your car, whatever, you just come here. It's all set up. Queen Subaru Club set this whole thing up. They set this whole thing up so the track was like basically rented. There's no like competition. There's no prizes or anything like that. It's all just for fun and like driving experience or whatever. So that was really cool. So this was a perfect like first timer event. We'll get out there one last time before we go back. Alright guys, race day was a success. As you can see, everybody's clearing out of here. There's no cars left. It's like me and John were the last ones here. This was cool because it wasn't like a competition or anything like that. You could just like come, beginners like myself. Never been on a track, so this is my first time. It was really cool, learned a lot. John took me for a dope ass ride along, so that was really cool. Yeah guys, a big shout out to Queen Subaru Club and everybody for setting this whole event up. If you helped, thank you so much. You know who you are. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions, leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one.